Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorials how to unhide object. As example in it, I will draw a rectangle and we draw a circle in the center point. Now if you want to hide this object, we can use isolate tools. You can select, right click, choose isolate and use hide object. Now if you want to unhide the object, you can right click, isolate and end object isolation, so to be automatically unhide. The other option, you also can use layer tools. You can tap layer and in it I will create new layer. First I will set into a circle and the second we set layer into rectangle. To apply into the object, you can select this rectangle. In the properties tab I will set layer into rectangle. As I see button, we select the circle and we set layer into circle. Now to hide, you can click at these icons to hide circle like this. To unhide, you can select them. Okay, this is for rectangle, hide and unhide. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorials how to unhide objects. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.